Hi guys, I'm Yanni with WTI, and these were my very first pair of Birkenstocks, and I have to tell you, best purchase I've ever made. So these are the Birkenstock Mayari sandal, and these are so comfortable. I can literally spend all day wearing this. So this is the color mocha brown. It's a beautiful, beautiful material that has not faded, even though I've been wearing this for quite some time now. The buckles are really nice, beautiful chrome color. So in my case, my feet are a little bit on the wider side, so I can easily adjust the straps and make them more comfortable for me. These sandals have amazing soles. I have been wearing these for quite some time, and as you can see, all the grooves are still there, super thick, super durable. I love how strong these sandals are. I also love that, yes, they're comfortable, but they're also super stylish. So you can wear these sandals with a lot of different outfits, a little more casual, a little more dressy, and they really complement your outfit really, really well. So if you're looking for very long-lasting sandals that are comfortable, but they also look cute and stylish, I definitely recommend these ones. You won't regret it, and that is my point of view.